In this video, I'll show you how you can add YouTube to your taskbar, so when you open it, it opens up YouTube and you can go ahead and view, watch or upload videos. So first, open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome because that's what I always use. Once you're on Chrome, do a search for YouTube or just head over to youtube.com. Once you're on youtube.com, on Google Chrome, go to the top right hand corner and you'll see the three dots. You can click on that. You can then go to Cast, Save and Share, and here you'll see Install YouTube. Go ahead and click on that, then click Install, and what that will do is it will install YouTube to your computer. So now we've got YouTube installed. Now from here, the YouTube app will probably open. If it doesn't open, you need to go ahead and do a search for YouTube, and you'll see the app. You can then right click on the app, then click Pin to Taskbar, and there you go, you've now got the YouTube app on your taskbar, and every time you open it, it's going to run and open YouTube. Thank you for watching.